Is your car in need of a serious cleaning upgrade? From crumbs in the seats to dust in those hard-to-reach places, we all know how quickly our cars can get messy. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best car vacuums that will leave your vehicle spotless in no time. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, stubborn dirt, or just the everyday mess, we've handpicked the ultimate cleaning tools to keep your car looking fresh. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's get started. Starting of our list at number 5, MBNGF X9. The MBNGF X9 Ultra Car Vacuum delivers impressive performance with its 35,000 PA high-power suction, easily capturing dirt, dust, and debris for a spotless car interior. With an extended battery life of up to 60 minutes, it ensures long-lasting cleaning without interruption. Its cordless and portable design makes it highly maneuverable and convenient, weighing just 2.5 pounds for effortless handling. The dual-function feature allows users to switch between suction and blower modes, perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach corners and even inflating air mattresses or toys. Featuring reusable filters, the vacuum provides cost-effective maintenance while ensuring consistent performance. Easy installation and operation with multiple nozzle attachments add to the convenience, making it an all-around tool for car, home, and office cleaning. Here is the item number 4, All AA07V1 The cordless operation of this vacuum allows users to clean dirt and debris from every corner of a room or car without the hassle of being restricted by a cord, offering maximum convenience. Its powerful 7.4V motor delivers an impressive 20 inches of water lift, making quick work of dry messes for a thorough clean every time. With a compact and sleek design, it easily navigates between tight spaces, such as between car seats or furniture. USB charging provides flexibility, allowing the vacuum to be charged either at home or on the go. The reusable cartridge filter traps dust particles and helps protect the motor, ensuring the vacuum's longevity and continued performance. With 7 essential accessories, including a crevice tool, retractable dust brush, and flexible hose, users can tackle every cleaning task with ease, all neatly stored in the included storage bag. The item number 3, Fanttik V8 Apex. The Fanttik V8 Apex V8 multifunctional mini vacuum cleaner is a compact yet powerful solution for tackling car interiors, office spaces, and other tight areas. Weighing just 1.1 pounds, this ultra-lightweight device is cordless and comes with multiple accessories including a crevice nozzle, flexible hose, push-in brush, and pet brush, making it ideal for cleaning every corner, picking up pet hair, and handling stubborn dust. Equipped with a 19,000 pascal suction power generated by an 80,000 RPM brushless motor, the vacuum offers 2 suction modes, Eco mode for up to 40 minutes of use and Max mode for up to 13 minutes, ensuring both efficient and long-lasting performance. It features Type-C fast charging, fully recharging in just 2.5 hours using a standard charger or a car charger, adding convenience to its design. The one-touch emptying feature makes maintenance simple by popping open the lid to dispose of debris without touching it, and the HEPA filter captures up to 95.99% of dust and particles. Perfect for those who need a compact and portable cleaning tool, this vacuum is ideal for both small spaces and detailed cleaning. Number 2 in our list, Fanttik V8 Mate. The Fanttik V8 Mate portable mini car vacuum is a lightweight, ultra-compact device designed to tackle hard-to-reach corners in car interiors and smaller spaces like office desks and computer keyboards. Weighing just 1.2 pounds, it offers easy one-handed use and features a cordless design that makes cleaning a breeze. With its multiple practical accessories, including extension tubes, a multi-surface brush, and a brush for stubborn dust, this vacuum excels in cleaning every nook and cranny. Its brushless motor provides impressive suction power of 30 AW 12 kPa, making it effective against sand, dust, and debris. Users can adjust suction to 2 levels, low gear for 30 minutes and high gear for 12 minutes. For added convenience, the vacuum supports USB-C fast charging, reaching full charge in as little as 2 hours, and comes with a marquee ring light to easily check working and charging status. With a one-click design to empty the trash, the Fanttik V8 Mate delivers a hassle-free cleaning experience for those looking for efficiency in smaller spaces. The top one in our list, ThisWorx TWC 01. This compact, lightweight mini vacuum is an excellent tool for maintaining a clean car interior, weighing just 2.4 pounds and featuring a convenient, ergonomic design. Powered by a 106W motor, it offers strong suction and cyclonic force, effortlessly picking up dirt, dust, crumbs, and even dog hair. Equipped with a HEPA filter, this handheld vacuum ensures optimal filtration, perfect for tackling drive-through spills and everyday messes. The versatile car cleaning kit includes 3 attachments: flathead, extendable, and brush nozzles, along with a carry bag, filter brush, and a spare HEPA filter, making it ideal for quick detailing on the go. Its 16-foot cord allows users to easily clean the back seat or trunk, and it connects directly to a 12V auxiliary outlet, providing consistent power without worrying about battery life. This portable vacuum also works well in boats, making it a practical addition to any vehicle or outdoor setting. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best car vacuums amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.